I'm in Altay, Xinjiang. Look at the wheel behind me. Is it like the place Zhang Fengsha, the storekeeper into the wonder went to? We'll spend the night here. That is typical here in Xinjiang. Look at the scenery, the grass, the raised rocks, and the panery. It's alive with sheep, horses, and the shepherd dog. This is the most primal landscape of Altay. Magnificent! There's a summer pasture where people have arrived. The herdsmen have different pastures in summer and winter. However, they may choose here this summer, and there is the next one. Don't let the sheep eating at the same place every year to prevent the ecological damage. Guys, there is no network or electricity here, but you have enough food. How long can you live without phone? A few days, I guess, but I can stay 2 weeks. Holy cow, it's raining on a sunny day. Haha, it's raining. I wonder how tonight will be. Let's have supper first. I'll have plain boiled lamb rack. We have butchered sheep. We have to buy something, since we'll spend the night with them. So we bought sheep. In that case, they may make some money. See the kid just now? I'm going to take some milk for him. Let the lady drive the cow here. She told us to go backwards, because the cow wouldn't come here. The cow feared the strangers, so I couldn't milk it. But when it's done, I know what to do, so I'm carrying the milk. We can't do this. Wow, so fresh. Where should I put the milk?
Put it here.
So, is this a wonder you are after? Oh, you come here when you resign, then come to see me here.